Hey everyone, it's Robb and Kelly Colley, your favorite husband and wife real estate broker team. We have just listed another great property out in Terry Cove Motorcoach Resort, Lot 12. Prime location with 2 spots just from the entry gate with easy access. Pull-through drive on a level grade, 10 by 10 coach house with commode, stacked washer and dryer, and a spacious laundry sink. Inside, you'll actually find a relaxing 12 by 18 gazebo, updated with new paint and screens in 2021, enhanced drainage solutions, and a roll-up Coolaroo shades for weather protection. Inside, you'll find a comfortable sofa, 2 swivel rockers, ottomans, and a stylish cocktail table, smart TV, under-counter refrigerator, dishwasher, and bar sink for entertainment. LED light strips and tasteful metal art decorations creating a warm ambiance. You'll have access to 2 amazing pools for refreshing dip, spacious clubhouse for gatherings and events, on-site laundry facility, golf cart friendly, and pet friendly. Enjoy this space as your own or turn it into the short-term rental management program for income-producing potential. We are your on-site realtors at Terry Cove Motorcoach Resort for all of your real estate needs. Make sure you reach out to us and give us a call and schedule an appointment at 251-727-6977. That's 251-727-6977.